Smart hello to everyone. So today we are starting with new series which is data visualization with Google Studio. Most of you must have heard about it. If you not, Data Studio is a reporting dashboard tool by Google in which we can make beautiful reports on dashboard, and most smart thing, it is absolutely available free for all of us. So let's start. There are three important features when we talk about Google Data Studio or any visualization tool. First of all is connect. We need to connect all the data sources. Like in Google, we can have Google Sheets, Google Analytics, Google Ads, Google AdWords, like this. Then you make your visualizations in your reports. And once the dashboard is ready, to try to share with and collaborate with your workers or to the public or to your client. So this is how actually Google Data Studio works, and it is a quite impressive and interesting data visualization tool. So let's go ahead and just give a start and give a hand on how it actually works. Let's start. So when you open Google Data Studio, this is the reports, like you will see a front view. When you have already given some sample reports, you can open and check. This is a first good way to start learning how these reports are made. So, but before that, let's start with a blank report. It will ask you for your data source. So I just go into my data source. It has some already sample data is given by Google. So let's take this sample Google Analytics data. Say add. You have to give permission to connect to report. So I will click add to report and see. Here is, let me delete this matrix first. Okay. So this is the data has been connected, and this is our canvas where we can make reports. So if you want, you can change, you can make duplicate pages. Let me walk you through entire thing. This is file, new report, make a copy. When you talk about insert, page, arrange, view, like this, fine. So let's start. I directly insert a time series chart. Let's say I insert a time series chart and I place it over here. Look, Google has already taken some matrices and made a chart for you. So this is the first visualization. Congratulations, you already have a first visualization ready for it. Yes, you can change these dates, and this is the time series for new user. But if you want to change it out, you can just drag and drop over here. So this is quite easy, but yes, this is done. What we can do is again that I can add some insert, say scorecard. So here is my, it's about new users. Say I don't want to say new users, but I want to say total users. So here is the users. So what I can do is, instead of new users, I can just drag it out and pull this in my report line. So I have the users available now. This is my aggregated number of users in my report. Fine. You can also add, say, add a control. I will add a date control to it, date range control. Or just a minute, you have a right. So in this date rate control, you can say first Feb to 25th August. Apply. So this is my data based on the report of data. I will just make it a little bigger for you. Maybe this is number of users, and I can have it another one by Control C, Control V. So I have two charts now available, and maybe in this users I'll change it to sessions. SESSION sessions. This is my session duration. I'll pull this and put over here. You have got my session duration. So like this, you can have many dashboards. Let's do one more thing. What I'll do is I'll put a rectangular shape, say a rectangular shape, and I'll put as a heading for this report. So here comes the heading, and I can change the color. Say background, I change this to blue color. Fine. And then I can add a text box to it like this, and I can say my first report, and I can change the size, say 14 to, I'll say 24. Fine. Just move it like this and change the color as well to white. So look, this is my first report, and now say if I want to view it, there's a button to view it. So your report is ready, and now you can change the date. So as the data get changes, updates, you can say if you want to see for last 14 days, apply. So my report changed. This is dynamic, so you can click on the field and you can see the data, and as soon as the data updates, these reports also get updates. So this is a very smart way of making a reports in Google Data Studio. And yes, if you want to share it out, there is an option to share, invite people, get report link, or like this. So say I say invite people, I can write the email option, and once you've done email address, you have option can view, can edit. So there are two options available by which you can share them. If you want to allow them to edit the reports and collaborate with you, you can edit, and if you just want to make them view, then another option is like you can say manage access, and you can directly link sharing, you can do on, anyone with the link can see this report. So here is the report. I will copy and will paste this report in my tutorial 1, so you can check this report easily. I'll just say save. So now this report will be available for everyone to view. I will also have an embed code by which I can share with you. Like say if I say share, cancel, you have a download report, schedule email, get report, invite people, get report link. So this is the get report link available, and that can be embedded also. So fine. So this is how actually the report is made. I will share this link so you can just check it out how this report works in your desktop. I will share this report so you will get a feel. Okay, yes, Data Studio is very smart tool to learn. So if you are ready to learn with me Google Data Studio, make sure to sign up bi-analytics.org, join the Google Data Studio Club. Let me tell you how to join it out. We have a website, Business Intelligence and Analytics for Digital Transformation, bi-analytics.org. There are different clubs, like we are doing a course for Excel, we are doing a course for VBA. Now if you talk about Google Data Studio, here is Google Data Studio. So just click on this and join the club. I will be starting my tutorials in this like this. So my first tutorial will be posted in this link, and I will share the report here very soon to you. Look forward for you in this, and sure, please let me know from which city you are, from what you want to learn. Have you ever known or have you ever been told about Google Data Studio in your company? I am waiting for your comments. Thank you very much.